First, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. The Dow Jones Industrial Average posting a gain of about 1.5% for the week. Deborah Kostroun, give us some information.
Well, we closed right near the highs of the day on Friday, and of course, the market was focused on the jobs report, which showed that the U.S. lost 36,000 jobs in February, and that was fewer than estimated, which gave us further evidence that the economy is slowly but surely recovering, and that news helping stocks like American Express and Boeing to gain on the day. Money managers saying the employment report was a real win-win because jobs remain strong despite the snowy weather, and the underlying job market is a lot healthier, and now the stage is set for possibly more solid months of gains in the labor market. The jobs report not only helping out Friday's market, but also solidified gains for the week. The S&P saw gains for 6 straight sessions. That's our longest winning streak this year. Taking a look at the major averages for the week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining 2.33%, the S&P gaining over 3%, and the Nasdaq gaining almost 4% for the week. Material stocks were the biggest gainers over the past week, and Friday was no exception as we saw some pretty big moves, particularly in the metal prices. Copper gaining as China said it will increase reserves. We also saw lead, nickel, and tin prices also gaining, and that led stocks like Freeport-McMoRan higher. And it wasn't just the metals. Crude oil surged to close out $81.51 a barrel and broke out of this pattern because crude oil has really been hovering around $80 a barrel. Not only that, gasoline rose to a 17-month high, partly on reports that if the job situation is better, then demand may be better as well. And all 40 stocks in the S&P Energy Index surging to a 7-week high. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Back to you in the studio, Pim.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the NYSE.